Alright, yes then. This is Lewisham Police Station, highly requested, much anticipated. Someone could have told me it was on a high street, off a main road. Someone could have told me, but I mean, you lot have seen this place before. I don't know if I need to bother filming the front of it, but yeah, Lewisham. Hope you enjoy. Alright, man, so I'm just reading some of these comments. People are saying good audit, but I gotta say, come up with more rawness, bruh. Make them choke a bit. Someone else said, bro, you should have stuck it on a that's some other stuff. Just basically people saying like I needed to be a bit firmer and stuff. Look, I usually like all your videos, but you let the woman off too easily. So people are saying, yeah, cool. You need to stick it on someone basically. So recurring theme, lots of those sort of comments. So it's effort, I can't lie. It's energy that I don't want to use on these people. But if that's what people want to see, then no better place than Lewisham to do it. So I'll try to put more enthusiasm into this one. Bethnal Green was a bit like the Forest Gate one, to be fair. So yeah, I don't know. All right, that's fine. If that's what you want to see, that's cool. That's no problem. What are you doing? You police?
The video opens with the auditor arriving at Lewisham Police Station under mounting pressure, openly acknowledging audience demands for a more confrontational approach as he sets the tone for what's about to unfold. This isn't a casual visit, it's a response to criticism, expectation, and unfinished business. As he speaks, there's a deliberate calm in his voice, but beneath it lies anticipation and intent, making it clear that this visit is different and that a confrontation isn't just possible, it's expected next.
Are you police? I'm just asking a question. Weird looking fed, I can't lie. You can't talk. The gate. It's making a video. Police station. Yeah, I'm on a pavement though. I'm not coming anywhere, but you can come here.
Literally, it's known as hostile reconnaissance.
Nah, not even.
Yeah, basically.
Definitely not hostile reconnaissance.
Because literally, when you're filming outside a site, a police secure building, you're not supposed to do that.
Damn, this guy sounds like a Cockney white geezer.
No, I'm not being cocky at all.
No, I said Cockney. You sound like a Cockney white geezer.
Yeah, people say that. But
yeah.
No.
You're dealing with these lot.
Yeah, because you see like terrorist activity.
Yeah, it's not. This ain't no terrorist activity.
I know, but I mean, when people see you filming like this, they're going to ask you questions.
Okay.
Like the way we are. You understand?
We happy?
But somebody will come and speak to you. Some uniform officers will come and speak to you.
Why?
Because you're filming the police station. You're not supposed to film the police station.
Why not?
My colleagues will come now and speak to you.
This guy is confusing the hell out of me, man. He don't talk. He's got a fake Louis V t-shirt on. He's got some gold chain, jeans. This guy is confusing the hell out of me. I don't know what you are. I don't know who you are. Fucking no. Slow down, yeah, I'm alright. Do you not know what this is? You know what this is?
I have no idea.
No, you know what this is.
Why would I know?
I'm just filming.
Because you were doing it 20 minutes ago as well.
Yeah, still doing it.
Can I ask why you're filming the police station?
I'm on board.
There's nothing better to do.
Nothing better, exactly.
Okay. You do realise it's obviously quite a high profile building.
Is it?
Yeah. What's your name?
What's your name?
Yeah, what's your name?
What's your name?
My name, PC
Yeah.
Ball. Okay. I just want to know, obviously with recent acts and stuff like that in the last year, 2 years, just for safety, I want to know why it's a bit unreasonable behaviour to be filming an exit of a police station, you know, police cars and other people leaving when they're trying to keep members of the public safe.
Yeah, I'm not impeding your ability to do that, to be
No,
fair.
but it's just, it's weird behaviour, so I'm just trying to get why you're filming. Can you not give me a lawful excuse why you're...
Don't need
filming?
any excuse, because like you said, lawful is
No,
lawful.
but at the minute I'm wondering why...
Don't really need an excuse, to be fair. You said it's lawful, so...
Okay, it's moment in time, mate, you're detained, okay,
Right,
first
right.
section...
Can I put the cap on the phone now?
Terrorism search, okay?
Lawless approach almost immediately, questioning why the auditor is filming a secure police building and implying his behavior is suspicious. But the exchange quickly turns tense when the auditor calmly asserts his right to film from a public pavement. The officer presses for a reason, but the auditor refuses to provide one, exposing uncertainty in the officer's understanding of the law. The encounter becomes a quiet power struggle, authority versus legality, with the auditor maintaining composure while the officer grows increasingly frustrated.
Being a terrorist.
Stop it from recording, yeah?
Okay, reason being, I suspect I've been told section 4. Unless you've got something to hide.
We're recording anyway.
We could be searching at home, so we would be.
Say thank you. What were the grounds? You just kind of... Alright, yes, then the people. I'm here at Lewisham Police Station. I'm here to collect both of my phones that were seized by PC Wells, I think. I don't know his name. Back in July the 15th. And it's now September, so that's what's up. Gonna get the phones right quick. Thought I'll just document it, because why not? Oh, is it a queue, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, no worries. That's all right. Yeah, so there's a bit of a queue right now, so I'll pick it back up once we're along the queue. Are you
As the situation seems to level out, the auditor reveals the real reason for his visit. He's there to collect 2 phones seized by police months earlier, instantly changing the tone of the encounter. What initially appeared to be a routine audit is now revealed as a follow-up to alleged police overreach, shifting the narrative from suspicion to accountability and signaling that this interaction is rooted in a past decision. The police can no longer avoid...
Are you? Pardon? Are you Joe?
No.
Oh, you were there that time though, weren't you? Yeah. You got a haircut now?
Yeah.
Nice, man.
Is it a mistake?
That's right, yeah.
Due. 2 phones. Sorry it's taken so long.
Okay.
It's been a night.
How come when other people come and filmed here, like they didn't have their stuff seized?
I don't know, because I didn't deal with them, so I can't...
Yeah, but you suggested that my personal phone be seized. I remember it very clearly.
Yeah,
Why did you pass that judgment? Like,
yeah, we seized both of phones.
why?
Pardon?
Why?
We went through that at the time.
No, we didn't really. So this is okay that I can film now. This phone's not going to get seized.
Yeah, that's fine.
That's fine, yeah. So what's your name, sorry?
I can't hear you.
What's your name?
PC Wells.
So you are PC Wells.
You said, am I Joe? I'm not Joe.
You're not Joe. No. Okay, Jonathan.
Yeah.
You're Jonathan Wells. Yeah. What's your call it? 1602.
Yeah. Could you sign just there? What's his signature?
Yeah.
And their address. And
Yeah, can do.
there.
Yeah.
Your bits. I'll give that to you. It's the 29th today.
Have you had other people filming here? I've got to fill in my address as well.
Yes, please. I believe so. Yeah. I don't know. I haven't dealt with any personally, but
Are they getting detained? Like, what's the?
I don't know, mate. As I said, I haven't dealt with them personally.
But you haven't heard anything?
No.
No? So, like, word don't get around?
Pen, please?
Yeah, this guy was loving it at the time. You was loving it at the time.
No?
Yeah, you were loving it when you were taking the phones.
Sure I was.
No, you were, man, for sure. Jonathan, yeah? Jonathan was. Remember this guy's face. I don't know. Let's make sure you haven't deleted the footage as well.
There you go, there's one phone.
Yeah. So what was the outcome of the search of the phone?
No further action can be taken about what's on your phone.
Yeah, no, I gathered that much. But what was anything found on the phone?
No. Nothing of any note,
That's the one?
just you doing the usual stuff about filming police station.
Yeah, that's right. Just gonna make sure nothing's been deleted off here, yeah?
Yeah, that's fine.
So this is the phone that I used to record, obviously the magnet for the gimbal.
Yeah, there's the other one.
And then this was my at the time, my personal phone. Boy, I ain't seen these phones for a long time. So let's just make sure nothing's been deleted. You wanna like apologise or anything? Or do you think the search was lawful? Like,
Why would I apologise?
because you seized my phone unlawfully.
We didn't, we seized your phone lawfully. You want to make a complaint, so feel free. I know you know how to make complaints.
So this is what his hair looked like at the time. Why'd you cut it?
You told me to get a haircut, didn't you? Remember?
Alright.
Inside the police station, the auditor confronts the officer responsible for seizing his phones, calmly but firmly questioning the legality of the original search and seizure. The power dynamic flips as the auditor presses for explanations, an apology, and confirmation that nothing was found or deleted. The officer appears defensive and restrained, while the auditor remains controlled and assertive, turning the encounter into a measured but unmistakable challenge to police
Okay. Yeah, looks good to me, mate. Right, next time someone comes and films here, don't seize their phones, yeah?
Okay.
It's not a good look. It's going to be on YouTube later as well. Alright.
I look forward to it.
Yeah, I'm sure you will. Weirdo. Yeah, don't forget that guy's face. Guy needs to brush his teeth as well. Oh, Jonathan, man, you look f***ed up. But yeah, we got the phones. So look, I've got so many phones now, man. 2 iPhone XRs. I'm probably gonna have to dispose of these phones, or I don't know. We're gonna have to do something. There's no way I can use either of these. I might just use them for filming and that's it. Like wipe everything. But yeah. Next, I don't know. We'll go somewhere.
The video concludes with the return of the phones, marking a quiet but significant victory as the auditor checks them on camera and issues a clear warning against unlawfully seizing recording devices in the future. There's no dramatic apology or escalation, just documentation, resolution, and a firm reminder that police actions are subject to scrutiny, leaving the encounter close but far from forgotten.